Namaste yogis. I am Yogi Vipin Singh Farswan, and on the behalf of Himalayan Yoga Association, as a teacher here, I am welcoming you all in this online teacher training course. I am your Vinyasa teacher and I am wishing you all the very best for the course. Namaste. Namaste yogis. Welcome back to my Vinyasa class. So in the previous video we did sun salutation A with the beginner and intermediate level. Now today our main topic is sun salutation B. So let's start with the Om chanting. Now you can sit comfortably and place your hands on your lap. Spine is straight. Slowly close your eyes. Prepare yourself. Prepare your breath. Gently relax your shoulders. Slowly take a deep breath in. And exhale out from your throat. Inhale in. And exhale out, nice and slow. Now with the next inhalation, lift your heart up slowly. As you exhale, slowly drop your heart down, nice and slow, no rush. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now keep breathing for a few seconds, nice and slow. Stay there. Few more breaths. Now with the next inhalation, bring your both palms near to heart center. Joint your palm, make a namaste. As you exhale, relax your shoulders down. Now prepare yourself for 3 Om. Take a deep breath in. Inhale. Inhale. Slowly slower down your breath. Feel the vibration of your Om. Feel all the sensation on your body. Slowly and nicely take a deep breath in. As you exhale, drop your head down. Gently open your eyes. Namaste. So let's start this session with a gentle warm-up. So come in tabletop position. And try to maintain your knee and hips in one line, and your wrist and shoulder should be in one line, not too much forward or not too much backward. Same thing, you have to maintain your knee and hip in one line. And one more option is up to you. You can flex out or you can flex in. Prepare yourself. Let's start with the cat and cow. As you inhale, drop your belly down, lift your hip up, slowly send your chest forward, open your heart, look up toward the ceiling. As you exhale, tuck your tailbone in by rounding your back slowly. Make a big hunch on your upper back. Again, inhale up, same thing. Drop your chest down, send your heart forward, look up. And exhale slowly, make a big hunch on your upper back, squeeze your abdomen. Inhale up, nice and slow. Keep pressing your palm, look up towards the ceiling. And as you exhale, repeat the same sequence, squeeze your abdomen. We'll do 2 more rounds. Inhale up. And exhale down, go with your breath. Don't hold your breath, Keep moving with your breath. Inhale up. And exhale down, nice and slow. Now as you inhale back to the center, let's do some variation here. Now with the next inhalation, extend your right arm forward and slowly lift your left leg back. And hold this position here. No need to extend your back, Maintain your hand and your leg in one line. Hold here. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Slowly drop your palms down. As you exhale by rounding your back, touch your nose with your left knee. Make a hunch on your upper back. And inhale slowly. Lift up. And exhale down. Nice and slowly. Repeat this 1 more round. Inhale up. And exhale down. Now slowly back to the center. Take your time, prepare yourself. Now with the next inhalation, extend your right leg back and inhale. Your left arm forward, hold here. Again, do the same thing. Don't overarch, Keep it maintained in one line. Hold here, breathe. 3. Keep breathing. Make sure while holding a posture, you have to keep breathing, Don't hold your breath. 1 more breath here. Inhale. As you exhale, first drop your left palm down by bending your knees, send your knee forward, make a hunch on your upper back, touch your nose, and inhale up. Extend a smile, lift up, and exhale down. Repeat 1 more time. Inhale up, and exhale down, nice and slow. Breathe in, back to the center. Stay here, or you can go back to child pose. And this time, keep moving forward with your fingertip. Extend your spine, look forward. No need to make a hunch like this. Keep going forward. Now, by placing your palms on the mat, slowly shift your weight forward for cobra pose. Keep your elbow bent, look forward, lift your heart up, and exhale by hunching your back. Slowly move back to child pose. Again, hunch your back, shift your weight forward, bend your elbow for cobra. Open your chest, look forward, breathe, and exhale, do the sails in. Slowly move back, nice and slow. We are going to repeat 1 more time. Slowly shift your weight forward. Drop your belly down. Bend your elbow. Open your heart. Look forward. And slowly move back to child pose. Now slowly shift your weight forward for tabletop. Now by tucking your toes in, lift your knees off to the mat and slowly extend your leg for downward facing dog. Breathe in, lift your heels up. Now slowly walk forward for half forward fold. Extend your elbow, extend your spine, look forward. Now slowly by bend, dropping your hip down, come up for chair pose and exhale, relax. So first I'm showing you the demo of the sun salutation B, then we'll do 1 or 2 rounds together. So same thing, you have to take a 1 feet distance from the top of your mat. Take your time, look here, breathe, exhale. Now, with your next inhalation, slowly find your Utkat Asana chair pose by bending your knees, drop your hip down, slightly shift your weight forward. Exhale, go for full forward Uttanasana. You can micro bend your knees. Inhale up for Ardha Uttanasana, half forward fold. Exhale, place your palm on the mat, same technique we learned on your previous video for Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale up. Exhale, go back to downward facing dog. Now slowly lift your right leg up. Step your right leg forward in between your both hands. By turning your back foot for 45 degrees, slowly come up for Warrior A, Veerbhadrasana A. Exhale, drop your hands on your mat. Now, if jumping back is in your practice, you can jump back. And if not, you can slowly go for Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale up. Exhale, go back to downward facing dog. Let's do the Warrior A with the left leg. Inhale, lift your left leg up. Exhale, step your left leg forward. By turning your back foot for 45 degrees, slowly come up for Warrior A, Veerbhadra A. Exhale, drop your hands down. Same thing, you can jump back or you can step back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale up. Exhale, slowly move back to downward facing dog. Look front, lift your heels off the mat, bend your knees. Jump forward for Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. And slowly find your chair pose, Utkat Asana, and exhale, relax. So let's do 2 rounds together. If jumping back is in your practice, you can jump back, and if not, you can go with the level. Now prepare yourself. Take your breath, take your time, shake your hands. Now inhale, find your Utkatasana. Exhale, full forward. Inhale up for Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, jump back or walk back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale up for Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, slowly move back to downward facing Adho Mukha. Lift your right leg up. Exhale, step your right leg forward slightly. Turn your back foot for 45 degrees for Warrior A, Veerbhadra. Exhale, place your hands on your mat. You can slightly move back or jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale up. Exhale, slowly find your downward dog. Lift your left leg up. Step your left leg forward. Find a Warrior A, Veerbhadrasana A. Exhale, slowly go back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale up for Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, slowly go back to Adho Mukha. Take your time. Look forward. Lift your heels off the mat. You can walk forward or you can jump forward for Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, find your chair pose. We'll do 1 more round. Hold here. Exhale, go for Uttanasana. Inhale for Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, walk back or jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale up. Exhale. Take your time, take your breath. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Step your right leg forward. Come up for Veerbhadra, nice and slow. Look up. Exhale, place your hands. Slightly jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale up. Exhale. Go back to down dog. Inhale up. Step your left leg forward. Come up for Warrior A. Exhale, drop your hands down. Slowly move back to Chaturanga. Inhale for Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, go back to downward dog, Adho Mukha. Slowly lift your heels up. You can rest your knees on your mat and relax in child pose. Breathe in, breathe out. Slowly slow down your breath. So that's it for this session. So as we are done with sun salutation A and B, so from our next session we are going to work on flow. So let's end this session with Om and Sri Shanti. So same thing, you can place your hands on your lap, gently close your eyes, take a deep breath in, exhale out, relax your thoughts, breathe in, breathe out. Gently joint your both palms at your heart center. Let's prepare yourself for 1 Om and 3 Shanti. Take a deep breath in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Stay there. So rub your palms. Then place your palm over your eyes. Slow down on your face by spreading your fingers. Open your eyes. Namaste. Hari Om.